What's up, guys? Welcome back to the vlog. I'm Austin. This is BC Supercars. It's a Sunday morning. It's like 8 o'clock on a Sunday morning. We're just gonna go get breakfast at Floyd's Diner. Then we're gonna be heading to Oak Bay Cars and Coffee for a Cars and Coffee event that's happening there. Okay, what's up, guys? We just finished breakfast at Floyd's Diner. It's 8:40 right now. We're headed to Oak Bay Cars and Coffee that starts at 9. We'll just have a little cruise down there with my friend and his R33 GTR, and then we'll head out and see you guys at Oak Bay Cars and Coffee.
With the mirror down there, that's fun.
No, I drive.
That's sick. 570, seen that before. California. Is it real? We'll never find out.
That is an RS. Like, I love that, dude. Like, that is 7.
Would you shoot that?
Oh, yeah, dude. It's like
oh, that's so rad. Ferrari. Yeah, it is.
gated.
Actually, I did my vlog series. 25.
Max took a picture of him one night Joe was drunk.
Nick should race them. Yeah, this is so small. 160. What?
165s. And they're 10-inch rims too.
Sick 99932. Manual.
Oh, you know those like the Lotus that you were looking at? They had a nice black one here. Yeah, there's a nice
Damn. Alright, let's follow the Supra. I have not seen the Supra yet. Plane. Don't say that too loudly.
This is a Joey 350 limited. It was 105 grand. Absolutely. Yeah. Yeah.
May I ask what percentage until summertime though? I'm like, give it like 2 months. If he's like, we still got pill fodder. Like the motor pump is